All right, so you should have watched the 18-3 videos by now and hopefully finished that worksheet. And now you're ready to work on the test review. So in the resources tab, there's a Unit 3 tab. In the Unit 3 tab, there is a 17-18 test review. Now, when you open it, you'll also find stuff from 16 because I did things in a different order this year. So we haven't taken the 16 test yet. So instead of giving you a separate test, I'm just putting a couple of questions from activity 16, which was Pascal's triangle, by the way, and the binomial theorem. I'm putting a couple of questions on there. So you click on each one of these, and the first thing that you'll see is pay attention to the type of files, okay? Because there's a 1718 multiple choice doc. That means it's a Word document. And then there's this thing right here that means that it is a place on its learning where you're going to enter the answers. So the first thing you do is you open the document. You open the document, there are 10 questions. You answer the 10 questions on your own paper. Be sure you show all your work and stuff like that because you're going to want to show your work on the test. Then you're going to go and open this file right here. And when you open this file, it's a place for you to answer the questions. And so it just simply says question number 1 is the answer A, B, C, or D. So you're talking about this answer right here. So you're going to enter your questions, and all the questions look like that. What's the answer to question number 4? And number 10 says, what's the answer to question number 10? So that's how you find out whether or not your answers are right or not. I believe I have it set up so that it should show you the correct answers after you take it the first time. So I'm not sure. I'll double check that whenever I finish making this video. Then for number 16, let's see right here. So if you go and do this one right here, notice I'm telling you to do number 3 and number 4 only. I don't care if you do the other ones. So there's, I don't know how many on here. There's 10 questions on here. You can do the other ones if you want to, but number 3 and number 4 are questions that are going to be on your test. So be sure you do number 3 and number 4. And then when you open that this place for you to answer your questions, there's only 2 questions on here, and it's the answer to number 3 and the answer to number 4. So those will be the only 2 that I check from this worksheet. If you really want to know the rest of the answers, you can email me or something, and I'll be happy to answer those questions. So if you do this multiple choice review and then you do number 3 and number 4, then you will be sufficiently prepared for the test. I'll be happy to open the quizzes that you did over the weekend and let you do that again. You'll just have to send me an email so I can send you a link. I'm not going to do it unless you ask me for it. So that's how you're going to spend the rest of the class period. We will start on Thursday morning. We will start by doing a question and answer session so that I'm able to answer any questions that you have. And you can also send me an email. You don't have to wait. I just have a couple of appointments to do on Tuesday, so that's why I can't be here. All right. Good luck. I'll see you Thursday.